Hey there everyone, welcome back to another video. In this quick video, I will show you how to merge PDF files into one. So suppose you have two PDFs like this first one and the second one. You need to merge both of them into one PDF. So how you can do that? I will show exactly that in this video. Without using any kind of software, you can just need to go to a website called I Love PDF. So you need to go to that website, and from this website you will see a option called merge PDF. You just need to open up this web page, and from here you need to select both of the PDFs or the PDFs you need to merge. Like I have two PDFs like this first one. I will drag and drop on the web page, and the second one. As you can see, the both PDFs are on the web page. Then I will select the merge PDF, but you need to first check that if the PDFs are in accordingly that your needings. Like I have the first PDF on the first. If you want the PDFs to be merged in a way that the first PDF will be on the second and the second one will be in the first, then I will select them or showcase them on the respectively position, like this respective position. Then I will select the merge. Then the PDF will show me the second PDF on first page, then the second page will show this one. So I will select the merge PDF and I will download, and as you can see there is an open file, and as you can see the PDF has been added accordingly that I have selected, like the second one at the first and the first one in the second. So that is for this video. If this video helps you out, please do like, share, and so don't forget to